want to open your card first? Oh. Oh. It says, Tigger's bouncing here today because that's what Tiggers do. To wish the bestest birthday to Tiggerific you. Hope it's fun, 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 fun. Oma loves you. Love Oma and Papa Chip. Okay, let's open the bags. Look. What's that? What's this? Arr. Open it up. Pull it out. We'll pull it out. That's a good boy. Pull this out. Whoa, what is it? Huh? It's the Aquadoodle pin for a car. Want to open this one? Pull it out. What's that? Is it for your snack? Uh-huh. What's this? Is that for the sidewalk? Huh? What else do you see? Oh, it's a book. Look. Elmo's on there. Can you see him? Oh, you found what you were looking for, didn't you? Watch this. Elmo. Look at this, Corbin. It's a water gun. We can shoot Daddy with it. Look. Look. Wow. That's cool. They're my big boy underwears, aren't they? Look at this. That is Elmo. There he is. We'll have that in a second. Let's finish opening. Look at this, the ball. Look at this cool shades for a big boy. Woo! Pretty. Look at this. Look at this. Look. Wow. Should have put Elmo on the bottom. Look. Look. Who's that? Corbin. Elmo. Who's this? Look. Wow.
Oh, what's that?
Look. Here, I'll open it. Look at this. Say thank you, Oma. We love you. Say thank you. Say thank you for all my birthday presents. Can you say thank you? Here. Say love you. Uh-huh. Okay, we'll open them. Blow kisses. Turn around, blow kisses. Say see you later. He's like, you're too many toys. Press the square.